Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to switch between open tabs in Google Chrome using keyboard shortcuts. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, you'll want to have multiple tabs open to practice these shortcuts effectively. Go ahead and open a few different websites in separate tabs so you have something to work with. Now, here's where the magic happens. Chrome offers you two main keyboard shortcut methods to navigate between your open tabs, and both are incredibly useful depending on your workflow and preferences. The first method is using Control-Tab on your keyboard. When you press these two keys together, Chrome will automatically move you to the next tab in your tab bar from left to right. This is perfect when you want to cycle through your tabs sequentially. Each time you press Control-Tab, you'll move one tab to the right, making it easy to browse through all your open pages in order. If you reach the last tab and press Control-Tab again, it will loop back to the first tab, creating a continuous cycle. The second method gives you even more precision and control over your navigation. You can press Control followed by a number key like Control 1, Control 2, Control 3, and so on. This shortcut allows you to jump directly to a specific tab based on its position in your tab bar. For example, pressing Control 1 will take you to the very first tab on the left, Control 2 will jump to the second tab, Control 3 to the third, and so forth. This is especially handy when you have many tabs open and want to quickly access a specific one without cycling through all of them. It saves you time and makes your browsing experience much more efficient, particularly if you keep certain websites in consistent positions. And that's it, you now know two powerful keyboard shortcuts to navigate between tabs in Google Chrome quickly and efficiently. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.